Okay, so Harlan just put the paint cups in, and it also comes with a ruler magnet. So if you want to, when you want to put the paper down, it can hold the paper down so you can paint and draw. It also comes with 3 dry erase markers. Harlan, go ahead. Do you want to write on this real quick and show them how it works, please? We're doing a video.
Oh,
so you show them how that writes. It also comes with some chalk. Oh, beautiful. What are you going to draw us? And see what else. It comes with a tons of stuff.
I want to do all this stuff.
So it comes with that. And then this is like a little bib
what is this?
for painting. And these look like things to keep your sleeves from getting dirty. And also comes with a little cloth. And there's also a for your chalk. So you can put your chalk in there.
I want to do chocolate.
You want to do chalk later. So just show them that you can draw on it. And you know what? You need to try to erase it real quick. What do you do with the erasers?
It's in there.
Okay, you erase it just to show them how it works. And Harlan's gonna erase it. No, erase the picture with the other one. Where's the little one? You're supposed to use the other one. Remember I told you that's the chalk one? What'd you do with the other one? You lost it. Oh, man.
It's not good.
It's not good? Alright. So there was another eraser, but when you have kids involved, stuff seems to just, there it is. Here we go. The magic erase, the thing, and Harlan's gonna see. There he goes, and it's erasing off. Move over, Harlan, so they can see. And there you go. That's just how to here wooden easel. Thanks.